Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So while this here may look like a couple of months worth of time, it's actually just the past couple of weeks broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis yesterday, about 24 hours ago, so that is where the green line annotations down here are coming from. But after today's price movement, some updates need to be made. And remember, cryptos are open 24/7. So if you are watching this, let's just call it 20 hours from now, my goal here is to still ensure that this video is relevant to you. How am I going to do that? Well, let's just talk about some broad levels and then walk over a couple of questions. And by answering those questions, like I said, that's going to keep this video relevant for you, even if you do happen to watch just 20 hours from the time that I'm actually posting this. Now, if you've watched my past videos, these questions will sound familiar. But again, this is more so for people that haven't seen any of the videos. But really, the first couple of questions revolve all around the green line down here, which are the levels of support. So the first question is, where's the price at relative to 6,300, which is this green line right here? If you're answering that the price is up above it like it is right now, then all that means is good. There's no huge warning signs. There's nothing, shaky going on. Everything is just still perfectly fine. Even if the price does drop down here a little bit, as long as the price is above 6,300, then yeah, everything is still perfectly fine. Now, if you're answering the question, well, actually the price is down below 63 right now, the next immediate question to ask yourself is, okay, well, what about 6,200? Where's the price relative to that? If the price is still up above that area, then okay, that's not the greatest thing, but still, it's not like a total chart collapse or anything like that. With that being said, though, if you're answering the question that the price is actually down below the 6,200 mark, at that point, that would be a sign that, things have gotten out of control and that the bears are really starting to take back over. I'd be shocked unless something crazy happened. If you'd be answering the question that the price is actually below 6,200. But these will be the first couple of questions to ask yourself. Now, if you answer that first question that the price is actually up above 6,300, the next immediate question to ask yourself is in regards to levels of resistance. And the big level of resistance currently on this one is up here. And I could have sworn I mapped this out yesterday, but I must be just not remembering right. But the next question, again, if you answer that the price is above 6,300, where is the price at relative to the 65.60 mark, which is that red line resistance up there? So if you're answering that the price is actually up above there, well, that would just tell you that the bulls are having a very good 24-hour session and that, a breakout is underway. So use these broad levels, ask yourself those questions, and that'll keep this video relevant until 24 hours from now when I come back to update the things before the weekend. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.